Hey guys, how's it going? It's Amanda. So yesterday I posted over on Instagram stories this photo of this overhead mount, and I got so many questions I figured I'd address them in a video. So what this is going to do is give you a top-down shot, which is going to look something like this, and it's really simple to do. Many of you may already have some of the things, especially if you're looking at this video wanting to know how to do it. You may already have an arm for your microphone, and these are like scissor springy arms, and that will work. It's just not going to work as good. I have one that I'm going to link down below, and this one is the Rode one, and it's a fantastic one for a microphone, but for what we're going to be doing, I'm using this one from Blue. It's on Amazon for $99, but checking out the specifications, I see that they have it listed to hold 2.4 pounds. So if you have some super heavy camera rig, it's just not going to work. I used it with both my Canon EOS R and my Canon 80D, using several lightweight lenses, no big heavy massive lenses with a big heavy camera. Maybe you'd even do something like a GoPro over there and crop it in, or even your phone. But I will say in my testing with the Canon 80D and the 10-18 lens, it's a great combination and it holds the weight with no problem. Taking a look at it, at the bottom you'll see it uses this clamp to attach to your desk. And then these three round sections are little hinge points. And that's why I called it a fixed arm, because it doesn't just move all around once you set it. And that's where I like this one over one of the springy ones, because it just kind of, you bump it and it moves out of whack and you lose everything you've just set up. So these are really nice because they kind of lock it into place. I just lost focus, but you can see what's going on here. Now the top has a 3/8 quarter, I believe is what it is. It's not the normal quarter 20 that comes on cameras. It's the larger one that tripods have, or some of your ball heads have. Like this is a Joby GorillaPod X ball head, and I just happen to have this, so it cost me no money. Look at my poor smashed thumb. But anyways, then I have it to where you can angle it to get the camera in the angle you want. Now, I said it's kind of fixed, so the angles are fixed, but you can swing this around, which I absolutely love. You can push it back here. If I didn't have this stuff behind me, I could move it all the way like in a 360 and maybe have another table in a different color over there to use it with. But you see the angle that it's at, and you can push it out of the way and just leave this camera here all the time if it's not your main camera, so really convenient. Now, speaking of the ball head, here's how I have it for the straight down shot, but you could push this out of the way and get some talking head shots with it if you needed it, if you have it in a certain area that you don't have access to get your tripod in. So there's really a lot of different things you guys can do with this, and it's really, you're just limited to your own creativity. But here is the shot using the 10-18 on 18. So this is the narrowest shot, and I just set this up. Here's a small keyboard that I have, but you do have to be careful moving your desk. Since this is attached to your desk, you will see movements in your desk, but here's kind of just the angle I would use if I was making a video. But I just wanted to show you guys at the widest setting on the 10-18, you can see like literally everything, my legs, the curve in the desk, my monitor or my iMac, you know, just everything. And here, if we swing it around, you guys can just get a whole look. It shows a lot at the 10, so you do need a wider angle lens to do this or pull this off, but it doesn't have to be super wide like the 10. In fact, that's too wide. Another thing is you can pick this up and move it to a different desk or a different table, different locations, and really you're just limited to your own creativity, like I said before. So there you have it. Leave a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you thought about this. Also, there will be links in the description box. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.